Hey guys,
what is up? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Tonight we're just gonna be strolling down downtown Long Beach.
And stay tuned and we'll take you along with us.
Hey guys, here we are at the Pike Outlet. We're up here on the bridge area, the crossover. From here you can see all the stores, Forever 21, Cinemark here, we have Gap, H&M, just Nike right here. And there's just multiple stores here. Pretty good place for if you want to just hang out and just have a good time.
I think this may be my favorite thing over here. They made this parking lot look like something from 1920s, 30s. I don't know which one, but look how beautiful. Alright, so
Now
if you
we
can
are.
see right here, I think we call it like an overpass.
We're just walking to the other side.
Yeah, we're walking to the other side. The sun is setting. This right here is the Long Beach skyline. The sun is setting. Here are the food options. It's here at the Pike Outlet. With a view, of course. All those palm trees. This is one of those restaurants that I'm surprised to see over here because we have this in New York City and it's always packed. Like you would need reservations for like weeks just for you to be able to sit here and dine here. And there you go, right across the street is the aquarium. Right there. And the marina. Harbor cruises and whale watching cruises. So we made it to the lighthouse right over here. We're just sitting over here, enjoying the view.
Nice.
It's not that crazy, it's not that cold,
Not that hot.
it's not that hot. There's no bugs
Yes.
yet. And there's still light.
6:30.
Is it 6:30 already? And we're just snacking on mint. Sorry. I don't know if you guys watch our Hawaii video, but we like to explore places during sunset because we think it's more beautiful that way and it's less people. So
And it's not as hot.
yes, and it's not as hot. Because you know, you don't really, I don't know about other people, right? But with us, we don't really like to like go to places and get all hot and sweaty, you know? It's just nasty. Oh, to me it's nasty. So I want to show you guys around. Look at this. It's really beautiful night.
here you can have your kids learn how to do some sort of seamanship on that ship over there.
Right there. Or if you're like us, we just want to stroll along the pier. But it's magnificent view.
There is the Queen Mary.
That's a restaurant right there. Ferris wheel right there. That's where we were. Oh, you're about to get hit by a train. Oh, and right across the street you have your Hooters, Chili's, Outback. Food trucks only on weekends here at the Pike. So we decided to go home. We didn't get a chance to go to the Shoreline Village.
We did explore a lot of downtown Long Beach. There's always another day.
Yep.